Hello folks, welcome back to Jim's Raised Bed Garden. Just a short reel, not video, to let you know that I won't be doing a video this week. I'm in the planning stage, but while I've been out in the garden this lovely September afternoon, I've been sorting out my corn. Come and have a look. Yeah, as you can see, I had 5 bits of corn left, and I've left 2, peeled off the, what do they call it, the skin of the, they're a bit anemic, but what we've had before is absolutely gorgeous, really love it. So that's all we've had time to do this afternoon, and I've got my sunflower in that bed now on his own. Come and have a look. Yeah, it's leaning over a little bit now, but my goodness, I've had plenty of flowers, done really well. These obviously have died back, but still some are coming. I say it's September, so I'm not really sure how much longer they'll go on for, but I'm expecting the winds to do a bit of battering. I'll leave it as long as I can. Been really good. All down to Linda at the Feel Good Garden, because I wouldn't have bothered. I have no luck at all. Happy days. See you all in the next video. Cheers folks.